बहुत प्यारे इंसान थे और मैं ये कहूँगा कि बिल्कुल साहिब।
Thank you. Could I request Mr. Adesh Srivastav, please come along. Yes. Thank you. This is a great tribute, ladies and gentlemen. A big hand to all of them. As loud as you can. Also, Mr. Adesh Srivastava. Ah, here he is. That's lovely. Yeah. Okay. Can I request Asha ji to give each one of them a cassette set from our side as a token of our release. Mr. Asha Bhosle, Anu And again, ladies and gentlemen, as a symbol representing all of us here on stage, not due to any favor, but as he stands tall next to me, I'll ask Anu to say a few words. Anu Malik.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Adesh. It's really an honor standing on the same stage with such great celebrities, and especially Asha ji. Before I speak about Pancham, I must speak about Asha ji. When I first forayed into the film world as a music director, my first song was sung by Asha ji. I suppose many other composers here know that she's helped a lot of composers to come up in life. And today I feel it a great honor to be present here. Talking about Pancham, what can you say about a man like him? As Shaktida came here and said some things about originality, I think he's right. I suppose the only original composer who forayed and broke barriers was Pancham. I remember when I was struggling and I went to this recording theatre film center to get a date for a recording. I was hard pressed for a song recording date. And Pancham came out. You see, there was a door that today, can you believe it, Rajkumar Santoshi is making a film called Ghatak. And he came to me and said, Pancham has left his work undone in this film. Can you complete it? Is it possible for you to do it? I said, what an honor to even remotely have my name associated with the greatest composer of all time, Sani Burman. I'm completing the film.